Good morning, you guys. Maybe it's morning, maybe it's afternoon, but for me it's definitely morning. It is 5:59 a.m. I know I've got my clock right there so I can tell you. Anyways, I just wanted to come at you with a quick announcement, video announcement of me, so you could hear some good news, okay? Next week you have a 4-day work week. The week after that you have a 2-day work week. And the week after that you have a 5-day work week. So that technically means you are down to, yep, this is going to be some fast math for you guys, but 12 days, including today, left of work, actual work days in this class. So get excited, okay? With that, remember that means that at 11:59 p.m. on November 30th, all of your assignments will close, and they will not be reopened because I have to furiously grade so that I can get ready to furiously grade a whole bunch of finals. So, anyways, just make sure that you're getting those stuff in by the deadline, and I wanted to talk to you guys about my availability as well. Sorry, I'm not being like insanely loud right now because my kids are sleeping like right over here in these 2 rooms right next to our office, and I don't want to wake them up yet because I have work to do. So just so you know my availability for next week, I am up at Boulder Creek on Tuesday, November 13th, the day after you guys get back from your 3-day weekend. Woo! And thank a veteran, by the way, because it's Veterans Day. I always call my in-laws and tell them thank you. They served in West Germany when that was a thing, believe it or not. Anyways, I'll be there from 3 to 7 for Open Lab on Tuesday. On Wednesday, I will be available at Barry Goldwater by appointment if you need me, okay? Because I do have meetings that day, and I also... I have meetings that day. So if you need me, send me a message, but I'm only going to be available there because I have meetings throughout the day because that's just my Wednesdays always. Anyways, and then on the 15th, Thursday, I will be visiting O'Connor at a student's request for Eagle Hour. So if you would like to see me, I will be in the LMC for Eagle Hour. And by the way, Boulder Creek, if you haven't come and you need to see me, I'm in the JAG Center, okay? That is kind of our official Deer Valley Online Learning Program meet spot on Tuesdays and Wednesdays, okay? If you need me any other times than those, let me know, okay? I would love to meet with you. I just need to know if you need to meet with me. Last little thing, keep a lookout on your announcements. I may be making, are you ready for this? I may be making an assignment or maybe 2 depending on your class. The week of Thanksgiving, I might make it optional. So, meaning you still need to know the content, but you may not have to actually turn it in. So, very important, watch your announcements. This does not mean it will apply to every class. I have to make sure that what you are doing on that week is not like 100% going to be on your final, like you have to know it. Anyways, so just be looking for that. I will also not be available for meeting the week of Thanksgiving, which means your last 2 weeks to really meet me are next week, and the 26th through the 30th, which is the week after Thanksgiving. And after that, guys, it's finals time. If you didn't catch my announcement, make sure that you're looking at that because I have my announcement for you guys regarding finals, okay? Please let me know if you have any questions. As always, reach out to me, and I've had a great semester. Thank you so much for all of your flexibility, your wonderful patience with me in this new job, and I hope that you'll join me again for another online class. Unless you're in econ, then you won't see me again, which is kind of sad. All right, thank you guys. Have a nice Friday.